Okay, so what if I want to add some features to that parcel? Let's tab. I'm gonna make a white wall first. 1, 2, 3. Here's my white wall. Alright, so press tab. Go on the diamond tab and let's add some text. So this is going to say hello world. I can change the size of it, and if I put it inverted, it becomes white. Right, tab again. I'm going to put an image. So I do not have an image in mind, so what I'm going to do is just Google Nicolas Cage images. Wow, okay, this is perfect. You go open image in a new tab, copy this, and press E, click on the image, click there, up, put your image in there, and perfect. So now what I'm going to do is increase the width, increase the height, and I'm going to make it in color. Wow, this is fantastic. Cool, so press tab. Let's add a polytext. Polytext are giant 3D text. They're quite ugly sometimes. I'm going to make it smaller, and I'm going to make it say, like me please. Awesome. So this is quite depressing. Let's hide that. Cool. What are we going to do now? Let's add some Vox model. Let's add your first Vox model to the world. So I'm going to make it slightly bigger. So you see this horrendous thing? Yeah, this is beautiful, but this is really bad. Do never make that, please, because that's really bad. That's really awful. I don't want to see that. Cool, so to avoid seeing this thing, what I recommend doing is I recommend you go onto the cryptovoxels Discord, into the content category, and then into the files channel. You can see that people share their Vox models in there, and it's free of charge, and everyone loves to see what people can do, and you can host your files on them, like I've done for that boombox right here in 2019. So I'm just going to copy the link, press E, click on the Vox, and paste your link. There we go. So here's my little boombox. Now I'm going to press E, make it bigger, and there we go. So if I press E, click on it, and click on that little rotation bar here, the Vox model would rotate after I refresh the page. Awesome. So what else do we have in our toolbox? Audio. Let's have some audio. I'm going to put it right here, and I do not have I do have an audio in mind. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Dropbox, copy the link of this, press E, click on the audio, right there, put it there, press OK, and there we go. So now if I press play, the song is going to play. But first, let's add some NFT. I'm going to put an NFT image, put it right there. Go on to OpenSea on my account. So this is my parcel. Even the parcel works, but if you have like some crypto art or NFT arts, digital art, that would be a good idea to put it there. Cool. Here's my link. It's loading, and here's my parcel. So that little gray black frame around it is a sign that I own the NFT. If I did not own it, it would look like an image. Sweet. So now there we go. That's all. The audio is loading.